This is the solution to the previous short where white will deliver checkmate in 10 moves, provided he doesn't go wrong. This is where he would go wrong, because if he takes the knight, then black simply comes here, delivers check, and then he would cause all sorts of problems for white down here. So we don't want to do that. What do we do instead? Well, since we can't take the knight any other way, it's a king move. We put the king here. Now, we are threatening check, and it will be checkmate very shortly. So he has to do something about that. How can he deal with it? Moving the knight wouldn't be of any use at all, or the bishop at this stage. Well, the only way that he can stop it, really, is by playing here. He has to give up his rook to stop a more immediate checkmate. So we just take the rook. No problem there. And what does black do? Well, clearly, he takes advantage of the fact that he can give check. Now, white's king must move to a square where black cannot give check. So, since the black knight is moving to a dark square, next we'll move to a dark square. Now, what does he do? What does he do in this position? Well, he plays here, and he's stopping knight to d5. So what do? Well, the knight is going to move to a light square, so we move to a light square. And if you notice now, black's knight has no good move. He can do absolutely nothing, because if he moves it, then we have bishop d5. If he doesn't move it, then what does he do? Because we're going to take it. He can't save that knight, and he can't avert checkmate. What he does, he plays here. And so he gives up the rook, and then he gives up the knight. Can you see what's coming? Yes, he's hell-bent on stopping bishop d5, as of course he has to be. Now, this is interesting endgame technique. Many would try and resolve this without taking the bishop. Well, don't do that. Just take the bishop. Let's keep it simple. He takes here, and then we can do a kind of a pawn morphy. We block that f-pawn. And in that position, it doesn't really matter what black does. If he moves the king like this, we're simply going to come here, and we're threatening rook h8, and he'd have to go back. That would achieve nothing. So he might as well advance this pawn, and then we go here. What else does he have? If he plays king f8 now, we're just going to do that. In fact, we could also take this, and it will be mate next move.